This is fun. That sounds like it feels great. Oh, yeah.
You getting this? You getting this?
Oh, we knew that one. Big ass Asian. Very.
Lay on this side facing me.
Woo!
What's wrong? You lightheaded?
About that.
Just now?
Mm-hmm. Right here.
Yep.
That's why I be talking. That's where it be hurting at, right here.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm finna get that right now. Get this on. A little closer. A little closer, a little closer. I need these hips coming to me.
Come to you.
Come,
Like
come,
that.
come. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. You ain't gonna fall. I'm taking, you're gonna give yourself a soft tug, okay?
She's going.
Straighten this bottom leg out. Put that right there. All right, lean back for me. Look at the camera. Yeah, look that direction. Yep. Take a deep breath in. All the way out. One more time. Let it go.
Ooh. Ooh. Yes.
Go and let it fall.
And we just got a, what we get?
New mattress?
Not a new mattress, but the new phone.
Memory phone.
Memory phone.
Cover top.
Mhm.
Look that way. Deep breath in.
Woo! Yes.
Lay in your stomach.
Woo! Oh, yes.
You talking about so you are a big ass kid.
All right. Deep breath in. All the way out. And one more time. And let it.
That's so.
Deep breath in. Same thing straight back for me. Good. I'll let it fall. Go ahead and sit up. Swing your feet around this way.
He don't know what he feeling, but I know what he feeling.
What he said. Interlace your finger and put them behind your head. Just like interlace them.
Oh.
Yep, not tight, just soften. Lean back on me. Good. Deep breath in. All the way out. Deep breath in. Out.
Ooh. Oh. Babe, that's what I needed.
Lower, go and lean back.
Woo.
Relax your foot.
Oh, I'm just tall right now.
Alright, I want you to let go of over this ankle, okay? You have it.
One thing I'm appalled. What is
Yeah, I feel good. Like she wasn't praying about put one of those.
All right.
You could eat your food and not spend $50.
Oh, I am. If I don't, take it to work.
All right. Put your phone.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
But was that gonna be like to help the muscles or something?
Mm-hmm. So it's got the CBD. It helps relax some of these muscles and discomfort. Sometimes it can be a little tender after your first adjustment because what I'm doing is moving things that haven't been moved either before or have been in this position for a while. That nagging discomfort that you're feeling is your body telling you that that it's not supposed to be there. But that doesn't mean that you have a lot of things. You have muscles and bones attached to each other. So after a while, when that bone is out of alignment, those muscles get really tight. Okay? When I move everything back, you may have me still aligned, but those muscles may still be tight. Have you ever heard of muscle memory?
Mm-hmm.
Muscle memory, like, you know, when they tell you to do the same thing over and over again with your hands, you get used to doing that. You remember how to do it. Like, you know how sometimes, like, you type your code into your phone, but if you were to tell somebody what a password is, you kind of forgot. You just know, like, I have to look at the phone, and when you look at it, you're like, it's this. It's muscle memory because you've gotten used to doing that same direction, like a swipe. You just remember what the swipe is over and over again. Well, the same thing with your muscles will remember where it's at, so this helps relax them a little bit to help everything settle.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.